Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you stopping by. Welcome to HTS. Those of you who have not been here, I'm glad to see you here. And I really appreciate all of you who have subscribed to my channel. It gets me pumped up. It makes me smile. And it gets me excited to bring more content like I'm going to be bringing to you right here. Now, stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you a few mistakes that I made, and so you do not make them. And this is going to be local marketing, and not everybody wants to be just glued to their laptop or glued to their phone. And you see it all the time, especially a lot of youngsters are always glued to the phone. As long as they're checking out your product or your service, that's great, your website, which is great. But in this video right here, I'm going to show you what you can do so you do not have to be stuck on the laptop or stuck, just stuck to the electronics. You could be out and about because deep conversations with right people are priceless. And that's where you need the human interactive stuff. You need to interact with humans when you go to these events, whether it's a entrepreneurial event, it's a local gardening, fruits and vegetables, some kind of maybe it's some kind of festival of like Latin or horticulture, some kind of festivals. There's so many going on right now because it's summer, and you could also do this in the winter as well. So let's get started right here. And the website I do want to show you is Zazzle. Now, the reason why I use Zazzle to make my shirts and stuff, I use Zazzle because in case you're on a budget or something, because this is going to cost some money. You could print one shirt. You print one shirt. You go out to the events. You go to your local Lowe's. Um, the better it is. Like, let's say you have a entrepreneurial website. You're trying to promote your website to like-minded individuals. Okay, then that'd be good to go to Meetup and go meet up with a lot of real estate investors or online entrepreneurs, people like that. But if you got like a recipe stuff that you want to be in the restaurants, you want to go to where your shirt and your website kind of blends in with that niche, I should say. But you can still wear it wherever you want. You could go to your local Walmart, your grocery store, wherever, as long as people are seeing it. Because somewhere out there, somebody is looking for either an opportunity or they like to read ebooks or they like to see something new. So I just want to put that in your mind out there because, everybody thinks differently. And that kind of brings me to one of the shirts that I made. I made this shirt a while back. Um, People see this everywhere. And then that's the back side and this is the front side. It says the same thing. It gets the message out. A lot of people see it. I use it to the gym. And I recently had this shirt made right here. As you can see right here. Let me open this up so you get a bigger view. I had this shirt made. Now this shirt right here is this shirt right here. Now on this shirt I did put a disclaimer. I put a disclaimer on the bottom of it and I put that on the back. So that's another shirt that I use to go just wherever. As long as I'm not stuck in the house or something, I like to get out, let people know about my website. And I do want to bring this up because I know a lot of you out there, and I'm not dissing any of this software at all. A lot of this software is great software, but like for example, ClickFunnels. Sometimes when you become a member, they send you a T-shirt, which is cool. It's cool to get a free T-shirt. However, you're advertising for them. So this is for you to give you the idea to go out there and advertise for what you built, for what you have, and so people could go to you because with all respect to ClickFunnels and a lot of these other software companies, they already got a lot of money. They already got millions, and I just want to put that out there as another idea. So this T-shirt right here, I had it made, and what I did not do, which I did think about it at the time, was let me open this up. So this is a pretty cool T-shirt. As you can see right there, if you haven't been to laptopformulas.com, I will put the link in the description. And just to also let you know that if you want to get a quick access to Zazzle, I will have an affiliate link in the description below this video as well. So you could go there and just make you a shirt. But here's the cool thing. I do want to mention this because you're going to be marketing locally, But let's say you live in Nebraska and you got cousins or somebody in Texas. You got like in New York or whatever. You could ship them a shirt. Ship them a shirt if they like to go out to events and parties and clubs, stuff like that. Ship them a shirt so people could get more eyes on your website. And I'm pretty sure if you're pretty close to your relatives or your friends, they wouldn't have a problem doing it. I just want to put that out there. So right here, I would let's see, go to my stuff. I had a couple of these right here that I wanted to do. Let's see. You go over here. You want to create your own clothing, shoes. Now you could do this to anything. You could put it on your beanies, for your kids. There's a lot of cool things you could do with this website. And in case you want to know how popular this website is, it's pretty popular. 10.5 million a month. I know you can't, go put your marketing on this, but you could create marketing material with this. So yeah, and you know what? I just want to let you know since we're here, and if you like this content that I make it on this channel, I really appreciate you, all of you who have subscribed. But if you like this content, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up so it'll help the algorithm share it with other people. Also, hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell for future videos that will be coming up real soon. I got some cool stuff coming out there as well. So thank you. I really appreciate it. Now I'm going to get back to the video here. Let's open this back up and we're going to create a shirt. So I don't know if I'm going to create a whole shirt because I'm pretty sure you get the point. But just to show you that I have time for you, I don't want to take up too much of your time as well. We're going to create a shirt. So let's see. It's been a minute since I did it. So let's see. T-shirts. Okay, yeah. Create your own, and they are going to charge you here. That's why I say if you have a few extra bucks to make a few more, have your friends kind of just wear it, and as long as they're not stuck at home either, you could get more people. Because you know what, people, you are going to get a lot of people looking at you. You will get a lot of people looking at you. I went to the mall a while back during Christmas time, before Christmas, of course, and people's eyes were just on my shirt, on me. So you just put it on and act normal, like act like your regular day, and you just go on about. Yes, you're going to get people looking at you, but there is a strategy that I did not do with all of these, and I do want to show you the shirt where I messed up at. So stick around. That's coming up real soon. So the next shirt I want to do, and here's something you don't have to if you don't want to, but I want to recommend it. So let's say you build you a shirt. Let's see, you want a custom design. Come on, what's going on here? Custom design your shirt. Okay, let's go back a little bit. It's been a minute since I used this, everybody, but I do use it quite often. But I kind of want to show you right here the colors. Something like this. Boom, stands out. People are going to see that. You might get seen with a purple as well. Let's see how that looks. That might get seen. Red, and I would say like a yellow, or look at that green. That's going to turn heads. Have you ever seen somebody who uses their van or something like that, or you see a truck go by and they're like a bright green and just grabs your eyes? It's the same thing with a t-shirt. Same thing with like the red, or like even like an orange, like a certain color, bright orange. You see the like a auto parts store have a big orange advertising name, logo, whatever. That catches people's eyes. So the same thing with the green. So if you were going to use this green here, let's see. Let's go back over here and let's see if we can get this shirt looking nice. So let's see. We want to customize a shirt. So let's say we go up here. We're going to upload. Let's say I was going to do this book. And if you want to copy this book, it is in my website, laptopformulas.com. And it's there if you want to go get you a copy. It is a $7 book, but I do over deliver on it. I do give you a lot more information with it. So if you're wanting to learn search engine optimization or something like that, this book right here it's power packed. So go ahead and go check it out. However, let's get up to this. So let's go here, and let's say I want to do a text. I want to write something that's going to be a really attractive. Uh, Learn the power of SEO. So I want to go right there, put that up there, and then I could change this color. I'm not going to want it that color. I'm going to want it. It's going to be on a dark on this green shirt. So for this, I would probably want it black, maybe. Learn the power of SEO, and if you have a free ebook, a free giveaway, you're going to want to let that be known on the bottom as well. So go grab your free ebook, and then you're going to put you're going to fit it all in here. However, you don't want to, what's that called? You want it to all be eye catchy and grab the people's attention because it really matters. So let's see that, and we're going to open that up and learn the power of SEO. Grab your ebook. Um, let's see. I can put that right there. Then I can add another text. www.laptop. Okay, make sure I spelled that right. Yes, I did. And that is going to go laptopformulas.com. So learn the power of SEO but you out there, you can do this any way that you want, whether it's for a recipe book or you want a free giveaway. But another thing I do want to tell you here is as long as you're not doing this, and here comes the t-shirt that I thought it was cool, but I actually messed up on it. It was when I first kind of started learning this stuff. Actually, nobody taught me this. I learned it by myself. So this shirt right here, you see that? That's you see that link up there? That link is it's like a subdomain. So you do not want to use a subdomain because not many people are going to remember that. I mean, this right here says okay, it has the HTTPS that has worldspinners.myrenatas.com, and then it has let's see if I can get it in the thing right there, right? Yeah, you can see it. Not too good on the camera. You can see it right there. Who's going to remember that? Nobody's going to remember that, anybody. So yeah. So you want to use a you go want to use your domain, whatever it may be, tastyrecipes.com, uh, wherever you're going. Let's say I went to a what's it called, a knife convention a while ago, and I was wearing my other shirt, which is kind of similar to the black T-shirt I showed you earlier, but it was on a white T-shirt, and a lot of people liked it. Was it the place to be wearing that? Maybe, I don't know, but the point is, a lot of people liked it. A lot of people was like, "Hey, that's a cool shirt." So I got more traffic coming to my YouTube channel because of that shirt. So you could also put your YouTube channel on there. There's so many ways you can do it. So you're not stuck at your laptop, everybody, because it's summertime. There's a lot of activities that if you think it's too hot, whatever, you can wait till later in the day. Also, you could do this in the winter time. There's a lot of events going on in the winter, and when it starts getting colder and stuff. Um, you could go to your kids' school wearing it because people are going to wonder, like they never heard of your brand before. They never heard of what you're doing. They always hear about uh, these big, already established companies, and you're working on your stuff. So you're working on your business. So I just wanted to put that out there. I wanted to make this video. I hope I didn't make it too long, everybody. I kind of go off a little bit, but if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, everybody. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down because I respect your decision. And stick around because I'm going to be making some live videos. I'm going to start going some YouTube lives, and while I'm out and about wearing my my shirts or whatever I'm doing that to promote what I'm doing. I'll be going to like random festivals, random places. Just I want to show you that you don't have to be shy to do this. Yes, you're going to get eyeballs on you. That's part of marketing. And I'm going to be doing this on some live. So if you want to see any of those lives, go ahead and tune into them. Subscribe to the channel, tap that bell to get notified. And I'll be making some more content. So stick around, and thank you everybody for subscribing once again. And you all have a good day, a good night, whatever time you're watching this. See you later. Bye.